I pet my cat while I sit on the sofa. I pet my cat while I sit on the sofa. I listen to music while I eat. I listen to music while I eat. I read a book while I drink tea. I read a book while I drink tea. I charge my phone while I sleep. I charge my phone while I sleep. I learn English while I watch videos. I learn English while I watch videos. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I smile because I feel good. I smile because I feel good. I run because I am late. I run because I am late. I take notes while I listen to the teacher. I take notes while I listen to the teacher. While I walk, I talk on the phone. While I walk, I talk on the phone. I buy groceries because the fridge is empty. I buy groceries because the fridge is empty. I drink coffee while I check my emails. I drink coffee while I check my emails. I drink water because I am thirsty. I talk on the phone. I talk on the phone. I talk on the phone. I am cold because the window is open. I am cold. I am hungry because I did not eat. I am hungry because I did not eat. While I work, I smile. While I work, I smile. I eat because I am hungry. I eat because I am hungry. I stay home because it is raining. I stay home because it is raining. I use an umbrella because it is starting to rain. I go to the gym because I want to be healthy.
I am tired because I worked all day. I am tired because I worked all day.
I like English because it is interesting. I like English because it is interesting. I cook dinner while I listen to music. I cook dinner while I listen to music. I am late because the bus is slow. I am late because the bus is slow. I learn new words while I read. I learn new words while I read. I walk because the day is nice. I walk because the day is nice. I look outside while I sit by the window. I am sad because my friend is sick. I am sad because my friend is sick. I run because I am late. I run because I am late. I read a book while I drink tea. I read a book while I drink tea. I listen to music while I eat. I listen to music while I eat. I talk on the phone. On the phone. I talk on the phone. I talk on the phone. I stay home because it is raining. I stay home because it is raining. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson.